Yeah, hi. Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss more about DTP. See here, you can see DTP. We can call like DTP data transfer process. It will have four types. One is standard DTP. Second one is error DTP, real-time DTP, virtual DTP. Okay, in the real time, we will use 99% standard DTP, only 1% error DTP. So till now, I didn't use real-time DTP, virtual DTP in my experience. Don't worry about them. I'll tell you, I'll explain you how to create real-time DTP and virtual DTP. But DTP is very important in our life when you start working on BW. So we need to daily work on DTP. Okay. So one point, remember this. Without transformation, we cannot create DTP. And also by using DTP, we can load data from one place to another place in the BW. For example, if we want to load data from S4HANA to BW4HANA, then we need to use DTP. If you want to load data from one DSO to another DSO, you need to use DTP. If you want to send data from BW4HANA to outside, like Excel file, then use DTP. So without DTP, we cannot transport the data within the BW4 HANA. If it is a older version, if it is a older version, like SAP BW 7.0 version, okay, then we need to use PSA. PSA like ECC to PSA. Use info package. First step is info package. The older version. Okay, this means ECC to PSA means when you execute info package, data will come from ECC to PSA. Clear? And then from PSA to DSO, you need to use DTP. Okay. So from DSO to keep or DSO, use DTP. And DSO, this is old version. DSO to keep, use DTP. Okay. And multi-provider to open up, use DTP. These are the steps. Okay. And if it is a BW4 HANA, if it is a BW4 HANA, BW4 HANA, this step will not be there. This step itself not available. Okay. So here you need to load data from S4 HANA to S4 HANA to staging advanced DSO, staging ADSO, then use DTP. Okay. There is no PSA concept in the BW4 HANA. Remember this point, there is no concept of PSA in the BW4 HANA. It will be available in 7.5 version as well. Okay, 7.5, 7.0 and 7.5 version both. Okay, and now one ADSO to another ADSO, any type of, you can load DTP. Okay. And DSO to info object. Sometimes you will load DSO to info object as well. Use DTP. Okay. Directly you are loading data from S4 HANA to info object. Okay. Then use DTP. So there is no other concept, only DTP concept. Remember this point. Without transformation, we cannot create DTP. For everything to load the data, if you want to process data from one place to another place, you need to use DTP. Without DTP, we cannot load the data. And one more thing, remember one more thing. So while you are creating DTP, we'll get three options, three tabs. What are the tabs? One is extraction tab, extraction tab, extraction tab. I just given extraction. Okay, there in the real-time tab level, you can see only extraction. There is no tab. I'm just giving extraction tab. Okay, don't confuse. Update tab and execute tab and execute tab. So I will share you what and all information, source information. Source information would be there and target information would be there. Target information. And here you can execute it. Then data load from one place to another place. So these are the important options. And one more options I will show you. If you want to load parallelly, then use one option. Okay, I will log in BW system. I will show you. Okay, this is old version. This is old version. I will show you multiple options. Okay, and you can see here material. You can see, and here this means from where to where you are loading. See, extraction, update, execute tab. Three tabs are there. Okay. And simply, okay, extraction tab. What is the source information means? Data, we are getting data from data source. You can see symbol data source. What is the source system type? Flat file. So this means you are loading data from Excel. Okay. From where you are updating? This info object. You are updating the data from flat file to this info object. Clear? This is the info object attributes. What type of object? Info object attributes are text or in XSL attributes hierarchy. So these are the targets. So only these are the targets you can see here. If you want to load data, open up DTP. Info object hierarchies, info object attributes, text attributes, data store object, classic object, info cube only. We cannot load data into multi-provider because it will not store data physically. Fine. And execute. Execute. So this is the execute option. Okay, fine. And then I want to discuss you one by one. Okay, for example, when I execute, what will happen? It is bringing the data from this GMM underscore DSPSA to GMID1. Okay, clear? So I'm loading to info object. Okay, I don't have any records, so zero records came. Fine. This is one option. Hmm, I'll show you real-time option. Understood. So here, from where you are loading? Are you loading data from PSA or directly from the source system? No, I'm selecting PSA in the old version. And here, this is the source details. Source object, you can see source object. Okay, and extraction mode is here, two types, full and update. Okay, let me cover this option. Extraction mode is full and delta. Full and delta. Okay, full means what? Full means what? So it will bring it will bring all the request data, all the request data from PSA. It will bring all request data from PSA. Full means. Okay, delta means it will bring only, it will bring only whichever is not updated, updated earlier. That means latestly one request came in the PSA level that is not updated to info object till now. Those records only will come. See now, full update. Okay, now you can see execute. This means PSA level, how many requests are there? All the data will come. See, 117 came. You can see, very, very important. I'm telling that this is completed within the second. What is the source? Version text and target, version object and selection. See, you can see. See, you can remember this option. Okay, in the PSA, how many requests are there? 16619. Okay, in the PSA. So if we have multiple requests in the PSA level, it will bring all. Okay, it will bring all. So let me check 16619. You just remember this option. Okay, I'm taking this screenshot. I'm taking this screenshot and go back and delete. So I'm not deleting. Okay, go back. So how you will go? PSA. Okay, see here, expand this DTP and right click on the data source and go to manage. So this is the PSA. You can see here PSA. How many requests are there, bro? And what request we are seeing? See, 16619 updated, right? In the screenshot, 16619 updated. See, this is 166. How many requests are there PSA level? Only one only. There is no, see, display all request. It will have only one request, bro. So that is the way. Full update means, for example, if you have 20 requests, it will update data from 20 requests too. That is what full. If you have any request, if you don't have any request, it will not bring any records. If you have thousand request here, this is request. So if you have thousand request also, it will bring thousand request data. Full update means. So in the real time, we will not load daily full update. Okay, remember that thing. We have huge amount of in this case we having only 100. If you want to load, you can load it. So I'm executing this one info package. We'll see. Now again I got it. Okay, what is the date today? You can see 25th 12 and I loaded this data. Okay, just 2 seconds it is completed. Here you can see 2 comma seconds. 2 seconds completed. How many cards? This is full update. I'll go back. I'll go back. If you want run, again I will run it. Okay. So it will bring all the records. Now you can go version manage, version data source, go to manage, and you can see how many requests you can see. Total 3, bro. One already updated to the target. That means already loaded to the info object. So here you can see 2, it is not updated to till now info object. So if I run full update, now just you understand, see here, I having two DTPs. I having two DTPs. This is delta. This is full. Let me show you. Copy means So copy means full, bro. I will go to extraction mode. I will show you full update. Now if I execute, how many request data will come? Three request data will come, bro. That is what I want to say. PSA level, how many requests are there? All the data will come when you select full. Remember this. See 351. So here you can see selection. How many request data came? 16619 came, right? And see here, earlier we having 16619. That is came. Also second time, third time we loaded. Okay, two requests will come. Okay, clear, huh? So now I will take this screenshot. Okay, now you will be clear. Full means what? How many requests are there? All the data will come. Okay, close this option and go back and go back and right click on data source and go to manage. How many requests are there, bro? Click on this one. Click on. Okay, now you can see here. How many requests are there? You can see that request will be matched. Okay, first one is 16619. See 16619. Second one is 4949511. See 49915. 49512. Okay, 49512. Third one. See, these are the requests are there and tick mark came. Tick mark means what? It is already updated to the target. So if you run delta, it will not update because it is already loaded. Okay, go back. Now, if I run delta, what will happen? We'll see. Okay, what will happen? I think it will get only two request data. Maybe we'll see. See, 237, 234 came. Why it is came two request only? So it was already bought first request through DTP, Delta DTP, and it didn't touch. So again, if I run again, how many requests will bring? Zero request because it is already updated to target. See zero. So in the selection blank only. Selection blank only. Again I will execute. Again I will execute. This is what delta. Delta means it is already updated to the target. Then it will not display. See zero request only. This is delta only. You can see here delta only. So even if we execute multiple times, so it will bring only zero requests because of it is already updated. Whatever we have PSA level. Okay, consider like this. And now I will delete all the data. Go to PSA and I will delete them. See, go to here and select all and I will delete them. So now, if we execute DTP, delta DTP, if we execute delta DTP, what will happen? It will bring data from the three. See, you can see the tick mark is there available. In the target level, I deleted. That means nothing will be there target. You can see three are there is no tick marker. That means it didn't update to the target. It didn't update to the target. Even if we execute delta DTP also, it will bring three data. Okay, three request data. So this is go to here and delta DTP and execute option. Okay, now you can see how many requests came, bro? See, three requests came. Clear? In the real time, you need to identify like this. Okay, 351 requests came. And now, see, three requests, different packets came. Clear? And if I execute same delta DTP, it will bring how many records will bring? Zero records will bring. See here? Zero records will come. See? Nothing will come. Why? Why? It is already updated, na? So it will not bring it. Okay? In the real time, almost will be delta DTP for master data. So currently we are doing master data. It will be transaction. it will be fine for master data because we don't have many records. See, delta only, zero records. Even if we load multiple times, we'll get zero records only. That is what difference, okay? Delta means it will update only which is not updated to the target that will bring it. So if I execute full update, see, I am going to full update. So extraction mode full and DTP clear. And when I select full update, when I execute, see here, yes will come. See, three requests will come. Okay, na? So again, I will execute with full update. So always, it will bring always all the data. So nothing will be changing. See, 351 only. Okay, three requests only will come. If we execute multiple times also, it will update every time full update. The name itself full means completely it will bring the data from PSA. Okay, this means whatever you have data in the PSA level, it will bring all the data every time. Delta means which is already updated from the PSA to target, it will not bring. Which is not updated, that only it will bring. See, every time it will bring the data. You can see here, we executed full update three times. See, it is updated three times. We executed delta DTP three times. Updated zero because it is already updated. Clear? Huh? So if you want to see this DTP monitor, click on this monitor. Okay, you can go here and you can check it. Okay, this is the way. If you want to go to target, say click on administration data target. This is info object. You can see here, this is info object. Clear? So this is the way we need to understand the DTP. So this is very important. And one more thing I need to explain with you. Mm, so when you are loading data, we will face some duplicate data issue will come sometimes. So here we have a handle duplicate record key. Whenever you are facing duplicate records issue, then we need to go edit mode and select this option. Only for master data, not transactional data. It will not enable for the transactional data. Remember this point. When you are facing duplicate data issue, for master data, then select only this option. Okay, for transaction data, it will not enable at all. The option it will not show you. See here. So you need to select that option for handle data, duplicate handle data. Okay, fine. I'll remove this now. And now I want to explain about you few more options in the extraction tab level. Few more options. See now you clear right extraction mode and request selection. Only retrieve last request. So when I select what will happen? Only retrieve last request. If you want to know about more, select F1. Select F1. Okay, select this option. It will give the more option. Fine. So when you select this option, it will bring only latest one. What is the latest one in the PSA level? When you select this option, what is the PSA level latest? Only retrieve last request. So what is the PSA level latest one? Right click, go to here. What is the latest one? What is the latest one? This is only. You can see timings. Okay, 57. Okay, this is the first one. 49512. This is the latest one. Okay, then when I execute this option, when I execute this DTP, it will bring data from only first request only, not all. So you can see because of we selected that option, execute. See here, we are getting only one request. Okay, not all the things. See here, what is the option? 49512. 49512. Clear? What option we selected? We selected this option, bro. So real time it will help you. For master data, we'll select mostly this option. only retrieve last request. Okay, it will not bring all the data. Okay, for master data, it better to select this option. Only retrieve last request. Okay, if you remove this option, it will bring all the data. Okay. Sorry. If I execute, you can see again we'll get 351 because it will bring data from three requests. Clear? If when I select this option, it will bring only one data, only one request. Clear this option? Fine. You try it. Okay. That is one option, and you can execute it. See, if we execute, we'll get only one request, bro. See, only one request data will come. Fine. Now, and we'll go to other option. Okay. For delta and full options will change. When I select delta, different options will come. That is also fine. And now remove this option. See, by using this option also, I will tell you. Okay. I'm selecting this option and how many requests are there. If you want to load particular request, this is first one, right? I don't want to load first one. I want to load middle one. So then I'm selecting this option. Okay, request pre-select and okay, okay. See here, middle request only will come. Okay, remember this option. Go to here and execute it. We are loading middle request. See here, what are the request number? 49511. 49511. I'll show you what is the middle request. Go to version data source, right click, click on display. What is the middle request number, bro? 49511 only we loaded. Clear? So as per your requirement, you can select any option. Any option you can select it. So you clear, right? Extraction tab you clear, right? So what is the source? What is the extraction mode? Full and delta. Full means every time it will bring all the data, historical data. Delta means which is already updated to the target, that will not bring. Which is newly came data, that data will bring. Request selection, if you select this option, only last request will update. So extraction, data extraction, we are loading data from PSA to info object. Okay, this is PSA source and loading to target. And now we'll go to here filter. If you want to put filter and you can select any filter, go to filter and these are the options would be there, and based on your requirement you can load it. If you want to load only English, you can load it only English. So I'm selecting English and I'm loading only English. Okay. So request will change or not, I'm not sure. Okay. If we have data, different currencies, if different languages, it will load only. Okay. Based on our filter selection criteria will load. See 183 only. See now request are changed it. See three requests would be there and different languages are there. I selected only English. So it will bring data only. Okay, it will bring data only from English language. So this yes means what? Sign option. I means include. EQ means equal. This is option equal. Okay, from means English. Remember this option. I means include. I means include. EQ means exclude. And sometimes if you want to exclude, then different option will come, bro. Let me show you that as option. We'll see different options. If you want to exclude and double click on this, or else you can go here and I'm double click on this. And if you want to, okay, delete it. Okay, I'm excluding this option. Okay, I'm excluding this option, bro. And yes, activate it. So this means English will not come, other languages will come. So in the DTP also that option will change, okay? What option changing here? See here, in the earlier before I can see I, right? Under the sign option I. Now E means exclude. E means exclude. Option EQ means in equal. Okay, clear. So we need to understand these filters. In the real time, we have to put the filter. We need to load the required data. This is very, very important filters as well. Okay, semantic group will discuss in the transaction data level. Okay, go back and we'll discuss about delta as well. So we'll go to the DTP and DTP level we'll see. So in the extraction tab level, see in the for delta different options came again. Delta init without data, delta init without data, and get all new data request by request. Only get delta once. See here, what are the options here? Only get delta once. For example, if you load the one request that is latest one, and if you want to try the same data, then it will not run. That is only get delta once. It will update only once to the target and get all new data request by request. So what will happen this request? So in the source level, how many requests are there? It will show you all the options. Okay, request by request, it will update. So I will show you. Okay, I will show you. And I'm deleting it. I'm deleting the data from the where? In the target level. I will go manage and I'm deleting. So all request by request, it will show you. Okay, it will show you the data. And now I'm selecting all and I'm deleting it. Okay, I'm executing Delta DTP and we selected this option. And now go to execute tab, execute. See here, 117 came, 117 came, and how many requests came? 11619 request came. 116, 166, 166, 19 request came. And why? I'll go here. What request came? 16619 request came. Here, display all request. See here, first request only we got it. First request only we got it. And again, okay, slowly, okay, slowly we'll get all the request as well. Sorry. Now, you can go here, manage, and you can see we deleted, right? See, slowly three requests came. Just now only we updated. We just executed and it is three requested. Request by request came. All the request will come. So even if you execute, if you delete, if you delete, if you delete, just now we loaded. Okay, go back, and now expand this main. Double click, and now I'll remove this option. I'll remove this option. I'll remove this option. This means it will bring only one request only, bro. Only it will bring one request only. Okay. It will club all the data into one request. In the PSA level, 351 requests there and it will club into one request only. See here, only one request. Do you want to request by request or you want to club everything? So as per your wish, as per your wish. Okay, clear this point? In the PSA level, we have three requests. You want to get data from three requests at one request level or different request wise? So now this is, we clubbed everything into one request. So if you don't want this one, and I will delete this one, and it will update request by request. Okay. If you select this option, then only possible. If you select this option, then only it is possible. See here. So we got three requests. We got three requests. Request to be request coming. See here. Loading automatically. Okay.